Would you mind awfully? I'm terribly sorry. Purely for old time's sake.
Sorry, old chap.
Oh, call of duty. Carry on, Sergeant.
Oh, treat me right, can't you?
Oh, no, no! I want to give a toast.
I'm going to squeeze the life out of you.
Yes, after the toast.
Go on.
No, you're killing me.
Oh, go on, you great Welsh bastard, or I'll break you in two.
To all the things that really matter. Bugger the ones that don't.
Yeah.
Can you please get down?
Oh, singing I might.
Oh, God.
Sing, darling, sing.
Ma fam nwy boed yr holl oedd fywyd Tan heil when disglair canol di A boed i'r osyn gridog ieuenctid I ddawnsio gannoedd ar dyri
There's that old hiraeth. That old Welsh thing they're always banging on about. He hates the bloody place, doesn't he? Who doesn't? But all he wants, see? He wants back there. She's no different. Nope, you'll never come between them, not with them being Welsh together.
Why should I come between them?
Of course, you've always got me.
Perfect. For old times.